Hello! In this short video tutorial, we would like to show you how you can access electronic media such as e-books, e-journals, or databases. What is an electronic resource? The University Library not only has printed books, but also licenses for a range of electronic media. You can get an overview via our homepage in the UB Online section. On the one hand, there are e-books. Our e-books are not tied to loan periods. You have access to the complete book and can download, view, or print out parts of it depending on the provider. You can find our e-books via our Catalog Plus and via the pages of the respective providers. The same applies to e-journals. In the case of electronic journals, we sometimes have access to all volumes and sometimes only to some of the volumes. The EZB, the Electronic Journal Library, offers a comprehensive overview. DBIS, our database information system, provides an overview of the databases available to you via the University Library. How can you use electronic resources? Our licensed electronic services are only available to university members. Access is realized via the IP of your computer. Information on this can be found on our homepage at Zugriff von zu Hause auf E-Ressourcen. There are basically three options here. Your computer is located on campus or is connected to the Wi-Fi on campus. Or you connect your computer from home via VPN. Or you use the login with your university mail address via Shibboleth. There is no access from outside the university network. You can find even more useful information on the subject of e-resources on our homepage. If you have any further questions on this or other topics, please contact us by email or simply come to the circulation desk during service hours. We're happy to help.